need to get some pants on.
Okay.
Nope. He's not. You've been following along. You know my daughter is living in the shed because she had to vacate the big trailer. We were still partially in the little trailer, so she couldn't move in there. So she moved into the shed. She was going to convert the shed. Well, she didn't really want to be over there. She wanted to be what we call in the meadow. She really wanted to build over there. I said, then build over there. And now that we don't need the little trailer, we'll vacate the little trailer.
Right.
Right?
Yes.
And we'll put it over in the meadow for you. And then you can just live across from where you're going to build. Problem solved. The problem is we still had a bunch of stuff in the little trailer. Welcome to the little trailer. Now, we used this trailer for probably 3 years. As a living room, as a kitchen. Patrick slept in here for a couple of months while we were transitioning into the house because of the dog situation and the cat. And then we got the wall up and then everything was fine. Then they moved. It's a thing. It's a whole thing. But anyway, Joe, our friend Joe, my best friend's mother, gave us this trailer after she was done with it. And Mikey and Marcus, my grandson and my son, well, son and grandson, when they come here, they stay in this trailer. But it is in complete disarray from us moving half out and half in. So, only thing wrong in here is that it needs new pump. She bought a new pump at her own cost. Patrick is now putting that in. I'm going to clean the trailer and move our stuff out. The biggest problem is that we have stuff still in here. And we left stuff in the other trailer, which left Jenny no room at all for stuff. So we're not going to make that mistake the second time. I did not know I left so much stuff in the pantry. I have no idea. I even think I have toilet paper. I have toilet paper up in here. Okay. Now I'm going to take most of this. Now I might leave some spices for Jenn. I'm sure she wouldn't mind or object to that at all. So whatever I have duplicates of, I'm just going to leave them here. The rest I'll bring in. I thought I brought most everything over to the house, but apparently I did not. Day 3, Patrick is pumping up the tire so we can move the trailer. And as you can see, all the stuff except for, that's Jenny's helmet anyway, and then there's screening. She's going to rescreen the front door here. And then the water pump, not water pump, water, on-demand water heater is right there. And his cowboy hat. But other than that, I just got to do the floors. I've been washing the stuff in the kitchen and I'm getting it done. I'm getting the stove done. It's got a little scraping I got to do, but the cabinets are clean. I didn't film me doing any of that. That's just boring cleaning. And then I got to mop the floor. The bathroom's just about done. Here I'm getting there. I need to wash that. I washed off the sink and all of that, but some of this stuff is Jenny's because she uses the bathroom sometimes. She cleaned the inside so it's nice and clean and emptied. This has to go. See, it's just maintenance like this. That's just little tiny stuff that has to be done. But, you know, for the most part, it's not bad. Now I just got to finish in the kitchen. Well, it's the day. Oh, you need to get some pants on. You need to get some pants on.
Okay.
Nope. He's not. It's always intense when we do this. We're not gonna move it again. That's where it's going to.
Just wait until it gets closest.
All right, we are stabilizing the trailer with the big jack because that jack is just toast. It's okay to park it with it, but when you try to retract it, it won't work. So Patrick's being careful, but we have to remove that in order to get it on the ball. It just won't sit there. We had this trouble last time. I'm not moving this trailer ever again. You think it's going down. I think it's on the ball pretty good. Is it? Oh.
That's it.
Oh, gosh. Old Blue does it again. We had a heck of a time with that jack stand. We got to replace that thing. And it's not got the scissor stabilizers down, so it's leaning to the left because it's slopey. But we're going to do that next. But it's here. Comes the fridge, back where it belongs. she's moving out and moving in.
Bringing the mattress over on top of her car.
Yeah, she's bringing her mattress over. Patrick took the mattress out, and then Patrick's sister's using that mattress, so that's good because then we don't have to store it.
There she is.
Well, that's how she got here, Beverly Hillbilly style. And that's how it's... Oh, that'll be easy to get in there.
Pull that corner to you. Now, this is where we got it.
There you go.
Stuff it.
Oh, yeah.
There it is.
Oh, let me show them. Excuse me.
What?
Let me just show them real quick.
Yeah, this is a lot taller.
I put the original. I had this $5 shower curtain. Oh, Jenny, look what I gave you. I had that stack of washcloths, and so you know, that color is just like not my color. It's probably not yours either.
No.
But they're brand new, so
Unless it's black, gray, or purple, it's not to do. I'm gonna buy one of those boneless couches on Amazon.
Boneless couches.
Yeah, so it comes like wrapped up.
Yeah, right. They fold out.
And then it goes poof when you undo it. And I'm gonna
just got to get water for Jenny and put it in the trailer because I used the whole thing cleaning yesterday. Have our shed back tomorrow. All right, you guys, this week did not go as planned, but it still was productive. And
Yes.
Jenny is very happy with running water.
We did get a lot done.
Yeah. She loves living in the little trailer. It's more convenient for her. And she's right across from her job site when she starts building. And when she starts building, we will take you with us with that. So we appreciate you guys hanging there with us. Tomorrow we are starting on our new project, switching things on this house. It's kind of, I think it's interesting because once you live in a space, you want to change it because you find out what's working and what's not working for you.
So the longer it takes us to get this done, the more we find out about what we really should do versus what we have been doing.
Yes.
So here we go.
Well, we adapt and overcome. and it's luckily we can do that.
Yeah.
So we appreciate you guys. If you haven't, please subscribe. Hit the bell for notification. Give us a thumbs up on your way out.
And don't forget to share and comment.
Love your comments. Keep them coming. You guys inspire us to keep going.
We enjoy reading all of it.
Yes. And a lot of you are our age and you understand it. This is not easy for people. He's going to turn 70 in just a few months.
That's what tell anybody.
I'm turning 66 in 2 months.
No.
And so, as you get older, it gets harder. And we've been at this 3 years.
Yeah. Just watch the tape.
Yeah, just watch it. Go back and watch it. But anyway, we appreciate you guys hanging there with us. And we'll be back in just another few days with a brand new video. And until the next time we're together again, if you have to.
And you might want to.
Hunker down.